Hello everyone, this is Praveen. So today we are going to see basic installation process of a LaTeX ISO file. So first download the ISO file from texlive website and use that for installation. So once you have downloaded the file, open it with the disk image mounter which is available in any Linux desktop. If you see it's been mounted, it should be see on available devices. So look for the install TL file in the particular folder. You could see with the damage symbol. Now open the terminal window here and execute the install file with the sudo command like this. So once you enter your sudo privileges, it would ask some options. If you see there is an installation options in which you have to choose create symlinks, which is essential to run the file from anywhere. So choose that one, and now you have to choose that individually by typing L. So now it will ask default directories. Choose the default one, that is enough. Return to the main menu and start the installation process. It would take some time to finish the things, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. So it is about to complete. If you didn't create the symlinks, you have to enter the complete installation directory every time you run a program. So that is not a good option. So it's always better to um, create symlinks. So it's almost completed, and now it's running some final things. So once the installation process done, you can verify the things by typing either PDF LaTeX space hyphen version or anything LaTeX or SC LaTeX or Lua LaTeX, depending upon your interest. You can type the version, type the program and check its version. So this is applicable to the Windows and Mac OS platform too. In the case of Mac OS, you have to open the ISO file by using disk image mounter. But in the case of Windows, you need a separate program to open the ISO file as folder. Now it's ready. I will run PDF LaTeX command and check its version. So that's all. Thanks for watching.